Okay, in this video we're going to be talking about the color picker. This one I found at colorpicker.com, and it's like most color pickers. If you've ever used Photoshop, this is a similar setup. How this works is you've got inputs here. The H stands for hue, which is this bar here. So this is your color, and so you can change this either by sliding here or inputting a number, anything from 0 to 360. If you imagine it as degrees, 360 degrees on a circle, this is what this number represents here. This number here is saturation, and that runs along here at the top. So this is your saturation. So this is how much color is in it. So if it's all the way over here to 100, that means it's 100% saturated with this color. Running along this side is the brightness, so how much white and black. So 0 is all black. If you have it at 100, it's all white. So you can scroll here with this the circle, and it picks a color, and it'll show the color up here. You can also enter it with these numbers here. R is for red, G is for green, and B is for blue, which was talked about in the introductory article that I posted. So these numbers run from 0 to 255, as you can see. The last thing is this hex code number, and this corresponds with the red, green, and blue. And how this works is there's an array of 6 numbers and letters, and each 2-digit column corresponds to the red, green, and blue. So these first here, the FF, corresponds with red. The 3D here, these two numbers, correspond with the green, and the last two numbers, the 4 and the 5, correspond to the blue. So to show you an example, if I put in the first two columns, we'll go FF, so it'll be full color red, and then 0, 0 for green, and 0, 0 for blue, I get full red. So 0 means there's none. So in this case there is 0 green, and there is 0 blue in this color, and there's full red, so 255 here. If I wanted full green, I would put 0, 0 for red, FF for green, and 0, 0 for blue. And there I have full green. And you can see that here, that there's a 0 for red and a 0 for blue. If I wanted full blue, then I'd do 0, 0 for red, 0, 0 for green, and FF for blue. And there you go. So these numbers, like I said, the zeros mean no color, full color is FF, and so you can see as I move this it will change. And so here I have 1F, 1F, and C4. You don't need to be too concerned with these. The easiest way is to find your color, and then once you have your color, you can copy this number and enter it into any code picker, and it will the color picker will give you this exact same color. The other nice thing about this one at colorpicker.com is you can add the colors down here. So if I wanted that blue, and then let's say I want a green, let's say the screen here, I can add that. And if I want a yellow, maybe kind of a golden like this, I can click there. If I wanted another color here, I can add these, and then I can go back, and it will, if I just click on it, it'll take me right back. And then if I want to copy these hex code numbers to save, I can do so, and then use that for a website or any other kind of project that I want to save those colors. And this is a good way to get the exact color that you're looking for, is to copy this hex code number, and that way it will always show up the same. I think that's about all. So now just try it out for yourself, become familiar, play around a little bit with this color picker, and that's all.